Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Today's Thursday, July the something 17th. It's terrible. I should figure these things out before I pick up my camera. I'm half asleep, but it's early in the morning. My carpenter just got here and we were talking about the plans for the day. He's hoping to be finished today. He may actually have to come back tomorrow too, but I'm hoping not. But I showed you in my last vlog what we got accomplished, and so he'll be working today, hopefully getting my countertops in, getting my sink in, getting my wall cabinets up. That is the plan, and if not, he'll come back and finish tomorrow. But today is Madisyn's graduation day from cosmetology school. I've never really I've told y'all she's in cosmetology school, but I've never, I don't know, told you where or what one or whatever. But she is graduating. There is a hair school in the mall in our town. It's called Sylvan Malo Hair Academy, and she's been there since last June. And of course things got delayed with coronavirus. She had to do homeschool for a while online, and she went back about a month ago, 5 days a week, just knocking it out. And she's amazing. She's done so she's worked so hard. She's the top of her class. Like she's just, they're gonna miss her. I know. She's amazing, and she's so good, and she loves what she does, and this is what she wanted to do. And I'm so excited that we made it happen for her. Like that, I told her, I think when she was in 6th grade, I think Marion mentioned to her, you know, because she really loved doing hair, and just she loves like her favorite thing to do is coloring hair. Like she loves the what's it called, like the chemistry and how you figure out it all, and she's so good. And Marion told her when she was in 6th grade, you know, you could do that for a living. And she said that just like made a light bulb go off, and she's thought about it ever since. And so that was the plan, and she's done it. She's gone for a year. She's amazing. She's got to go Saturday and do like a big, not state board, but a big test to actually pass the class. But today she actually finishes her hours. So we're doing they just do a really quick small graduation. You just walk down the hallway and everybody claps for you, and your family comes and you get to give a little speech. So we're gonna go do that, and then this evening we're gonna all go out to dinner. I'm hoping I can find a restaurant where we can go. I know they don't like put tables together and stuff, but we're gonna be there. Our family will be there, so that'll be fun celebrating her today. I know she's so excited. She left this morning. She actually got to wear regular clothes. She put on a nice dress and not her uniform, so she was excited. But that is the plan for today. So I am going to jump in the shower and get started, because I have to leave a little early because I want to stop and get her some balloons and flowers and things like that for, you know, her graduation. So I'm just going to put that into this vlog. So it's another kitchen renovation vlog, but life is still happening. So, and I also have a cake I need to bake tonight. Probably I'm going to ice it tomorrow, because we're going out to dinner, and if I can get it baked, then I know I can ice it in the morning. Hopefully these guys won't be here in the morning, because I'm going to be icing it here in my makeshift kitchen, which is covered with my dishes I washed last night. So anyway, we'll make it. But I'm going to jump in the shower and I'll catch back up. All right, I'm ready now. I'm going to run out and grab some balloons, grab a card. I also have to get a cake mix. I bought the wrong cake mix. I'm making a cake tonight. I don't know if I told you that or not, but I have a cake order today, tomorrow, and the next day. So I'm hoping this is done today. At least some countertops, a sink, and my stove. So anyway, this is what they've got done. They're working on that. You can probably hear them cutting. They might be cutting the wood for the side of this cabinet. I'm not really sure. They actually too said these were bowed a little bit because they put them in so far. They're gonna take them out and put like a board behind them to make them extra sturdy. But it's coming along. And we're just waiting. She came out and saw us, and she is so beautiful. She got her hair and makeup done here. That's what they do. They let them do that. She's got on false eyelashes. She looks gorgeous. Obviously you will get to see her, but they're gonna just, I'm not really sure. I think they're gonna come out here and like line up and she'll walk through. It's really quick, but I got we got some family. I got my mom, my brother Patrick, Jackson, my sister Angela, my future daughter-in-law Danielle, Marion, also Elena and her boyfriend Andrew, and my niece Jessa are all coming. And then tonight we're gonna go have dinner at, and then like my other brother and sister-in-law and their kids, and who else? Oh, and Michael will be here. So it's gonna be a day of celebrating, and they are still working on my kitchen. So they're still working on the kitchen, so when we get back I'll show you what's going on there. But Madison just texted me, so. There she is in the blue and white.
And today she's finally made it through. Sorry, I'm off there for the thing. But through COVID and our online times, she never missed a beat, which was a very difficult task for all of us to do. And a lot of us were struggling with that, and you never tell a difference. Whatever you do, work hard to ask the Lord and not me. Growing up, I always felt lost on what to do with my life. I never really felt like I fit in. I've always been the quiet girl who stayed in the bathroom and ran away from you. You never would have been able to be up here and talking with all you guys. Today, you're going to be with a girl who's confident in who she is and where she's going. Oh my God.
Just wanted to let you guys know how incredibly special Madison is, and we all love her so much. This is a huge day for us.
You did it, Madison. You did it!
Okay, that was so fun. That was beautiful. My sister actually took my camera and got a lot of footage, so that's probably mostly what you just saw. But Madison did so beautiful. Her speech is so sweet. She is just so sweet and beautiful, and I'm so proud of her. She has worked so hard for this, and it is a huge deal. So anyway, I'm glad I got to take you guys with us. That was really fun. So I've been actually left a couple hours ago, and I've been running around with my brother, taking him. He had actually got his debit card stolen, so he has had to go to the bank, and he's been on the phone, and I've had to take him places because his car's in the shop, so it's just been a mess. But I had to go by the Mexican restaurant and make sure that they would fit all of us, and they only take parties of 10, or less, but they said that they could put us like next to each other and at separate tables, because I think we're gonna have 15 or 16. So anyway, right now I'm gonna take him home to his house, and then I'm gonna run home. When I was there earlier, they had just put my countertops on, and it was a fiasco. So I will tell you about that when I get there, but I'll tell you what they had to do. Everything is just much more difficult than planned. So anyway, my car is gonna be overheating, it's so hot. Yeah, so after I take Patrick home, I'm gonna run back to my house and do a few things and probably pull my hair up because it's driving me crazy. And then I will show you the progress. So far, I think the guys are gonna actually have to come back tomorrow. I don't know if I told you that. They might stay late tonight, or they might come back tomorrow. I don't know, but they're gonna actually hang the uppers, which makes us happy. So, and then seeing what they had to do to get the countertop in, I'm very glad that we just hired them to do it. So even though, yeah, we'll talk about all this later, but right now I'm gonna take Patrick home, then I will catch back up when we get home. All right, I'm home now, and I have counters. Look at that. There's my sink on the floor, and they made a drawing. They're gonna have to rearrange some of the pipes down here because the thing of this is in the middle, and I guess that's made underneath to do 2 drains, like you, I don't know, make like a T. So they'll have to do that, and that's gonna be the next step. But they had to do this today, and I'll have to paint it. But they just secured everything really good against the wall and did the countertops, which I'll explain that later, what they had to do. It was kind of a fiasco. So, but there's another look.
Not 16.
Yeah, 14.
Okay.
We are here at the restaurant. I got Madison and Patrick with me. Everybody else is coming. And boy, what a day. What an afternoon. Our poor guy has been working for you can close it.
Okay.
I'm coming. Has been working for hours and hours and hours and hours trying to get our sink in. It's just not working, and I had to leave. So, and I got to make a cake tonight. So anyways, we are going to enjoy our dinner right now, and we try to get her early because we need a big table, and I'm not sure how long of a wait. Sorry. Listen, Uncle Patrick has, Aunt Melissa says there's a card in that. And also here's another card.
Should I open them now?
Yeah, it's just a card.
I have my eyes on that. Hey, I'm not here right now.
Maybe are they doing new plates? Is this a new plates? I don't know. Small town.
Patrick, I gotta show your shirt.
Haircuts, I already did it.
So we are home now. That was a wonderful dinner. It was nice celebrating Madison all day today. But I am so tired. It's been such a long day. We're home, and I am currently, I'll show you what happened while we were gone, or since I last showed you. I have a cake order. I have the net one, you know, like I said. Today I was supposed to make a cake. Tomorrow cupcakes. The next day cupcakes and cookies. So I'm gonna bake the cake tonight, and then tomorrow I'm gonna have to ice it. It's due by like tomorrow afternoon. The guy wants to come pick it up. So Marion is stirring it for me right now. It's a lemon cake using our new countertops.
Oh yeah.
And so I'll show you. So we did decide, obviously, I don't know if I said this or not, but the stove is staying here for several reasons. But you can see the difference in the countertop height. So, but this does, like a lot of you said in my blog today in the comments, but yes, our contractor told us this does have things that we can lift up. The same with our dishwasher, he adjusted it. So we're gonna lift it up a little bit so it won't be as big of a gap right there. And then my countertops are super high. And then he worked for hours and hours, I'm telling you, to get this sink in. It was just every possible thing that could mess up did. And the poor guy was just so done. But we still have to seal it, but it looks beautiful. And then this isn't completely in. But we got this on Amazon, and they did not send us the plate that was supposed to go here, which they were supposed to. They just didn't put it in the box. So we have to go find one of those and pay, you know, $25 for one of those, which we already paid for. I'm going to see if I can get another one. And also I bought this, and I bought stainless steel instead of brushed nickel. I should have bought brushed nickel. Might buy another one of those. But I'm going to love it though. I love the look of it. I love the obviously my lights covered in dust hanging down. But I love the oil rubbed bronze. So pretty. So he worked so hard today. I mean, like 9 hours, just so hard. This is what we're done with. So that is that side of the kitchen. And then over here, Marion and Michael brought up my cabinet. It's going right there. And we do have a countertop. We have to cut it still, but this right here, this drawer is what I am so excited about. Never had one like that. And so I didn't put my stove over here because we would have to have a cabinet in between the stove and the refrigerator because the hot and the cold can't be like right next to each other. And then when we did that, my stove is literally like right here. And you know, we walk through here all the time, and it is totally like the pathway from the front to the back. And that was just not going to work with me. I like the way it looked over there, but there's just no way because it's literally the pathway to the back door. So the stove is staying where it was. I'm still going to do something with this, but that's going to come later. We still have to do backsplash. I have to fix the brick. The windows will be in next week. It's slow coming, but our guys are coming back. Thank you. He stirred my cake for me. The guys are coming back tomorrow to hopefully finish up. That we've definitely added onto their list of things, but they were willing to do it, and we ran into just so many problems. This would have been like darn near impossible, some of this stuff, just because our particular issues with this house. But they did such a great job. I mean, amazing hardworking guys. But they're gonna hang my upper cabinets tomorrow and finish the sink installation with the faucet. I really think that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. I got a cake to bake. I'm gonna be icing it tomorrow. Probably gonna vlog again tomorrow. I will be vlogging again tomorrow. It may be into a few. This is gonna be one separate vlog because, you know, Madisyn's graduation. There was a lot going on today. I'm sure it's a long vlog already. But then tomorrow I'll vlog, and maybe, you know, just like through the weekend. Tomorrow's Friday. So anyways, thank you again for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. I know I didn't show you any work today, just show you what he did. But we are going to be soon able to do some of this work ourselves, and we're really excited about that. That's the fun part to me, putting all these finishing touches on and doing it ourselves. So make sure that you are subscribed, and all these videos are put together in a playlist. So if you want to see from start to finish, you'll be able to. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching and all your sweet comments, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.